Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SLP update for Tuesday 12th of July. And now look at what's going on with SLP, right? So we do have trouble, and trouble remains trouble in every single corner. In yesterday's video I did talk about SLP not doing quite what it was supposed to be doing, and so far the effects are actually there. So you're looking to basically roll all the way down to 306, which is going to be your technical target out of this ascending triangle. So it's all about the breakout. First of all, you went to the upside, it came down, went to the upside, tried to break it again, you failed, and then you came down. So what is the consequences of failing is you're going to actually make a successful break to the downside. So once you did the down break right now, and you can see, I think the volume is massive on Bitcoin. Actually, it's massive sell-off for Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is what is affecting all the thing right now in the crypto space. So you came down, you lost this level, kiss of death, and that's it. And I don't know if you've been following the SLP updates that I do. I always like to mention that SLP has a habit of losing trend lines a lot, support trend lines. In general, it likes to lose this level all the time, just to lose it to go to the downside. So I'm just going to keep it very, very brief with this update, because it's a very straightforward one, simple. You broke the ascending triangle on a downside, you come back to where you formed the triangle. Simple put. This level here, maybe it's safe to say 315 instead of 306, somewhere up here. So if you do come down a little bit to take 305 as well, and take this last week, then I reckon you're going to continue to go way more to the downside. I just want to know if you're going to have a reversal wave as well, because previously I talked about reversal wave. People were laughing that, oh no, it's not going to do that. It did. It can do it again, certainly. Can happen again. So the bad thing about it is you're coming down to take the 0.618, and you might create that reversal wave to come down to 241 level. Okay, so be very, very extra careful. And I don't know, but my vote is casting on the reversal wave to actually happen, and see SLP with that huge discount again down all the way to this level. And that's it for this update on SLP. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.